In this video, I will show you how you can apply for Twitter developer account. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you try it for yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Twitter app. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on settings and support. And now you have to click on settings and privacy option. After that you will find an interface like that. So here you have to simply click on your account in the first option. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to click on account information. So here I don't find any option for developer account. After that you have to simply click on deactivate account. But here you also not find any option to apply for developer account. So now what we will do, we will use Chrome browser here, but you can use any browser. And now you have to simply click on twitter.com. After that you have to simply click on your profile icon, and now you have to click on settings and privacy option. After that you have to simply click on creator subscriptions, and here you will find developer options. According to Twitter update 2022, Twitter not be able to create your developer account in free version, but if you take a premium version of Twitter, so now you can able to create your developer account. So that is how you can create your Twitter developer account. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one.